Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Power Window Lift Motor. This power window lift motor is compatible with various Mazda cars and SUVs, including the 3 Sport, 5, 6, CX-7, CX-9, and RX-8 from years 2003 to 2017. It can be used or installed in various locations. To learn more about those locations, it is based on the year and model of your vehicle, so take a look at the listing for more information. This power window lift motor is what allows your power windows to roll up and down with ease. And over time, these factory motors can go bad, causing windows not to roll up or down properly or stop working altogether. Some common issues to watch out for is grinding or dragging noise inside the door when you hit the window switch. Additionally, if you're trying to raise or lower your windows and you hear the motor spinning, but the glass doesn't move, the connector here possibly has worn out. This replacement power window lift motor has an OEM fit thanks to the factory mounting points and the OEM electrical connector. However, this specific unit does have a redesigned motor for longer life and upgraded connector at the window regulator cable. If you are doing this repair yourself, once you have everything reinstalled, this will need to be calibrated to your vehicle. To do this, hold the window switch down for 5 seconds and then hold the window switch up for 5 seconds. At this time, your Mazda window should be working like new. If you have any questions about this power window lift motor, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.